babies out there who don't know how to make themselves a bowl of cereal, this is not a meme. We're going to be making a bowl of cereal.
For all those little kids who need to start making breakfast for themselves.
Yep.
The first thing you're going to do is get your bowl.
Wow. Place it on the counter.
Wow.
Wow.
Next, make sure you have paper towels nearby just in case of spillage.
The next thing we're going to do is open our cupboard and pick out our cereal. I can pick Frosties, Fruit Loops, or a disgusting Fiber One Nestle.
Yummy!
We're going to pick Frosties. I did not step on my puppy's toy.
Close cupboard when done.
Yes, close it. Then you can leave it open right now because you have to put your cereal back somehow. You're going to pull out your bag of noisy cereal, and then you're going to make sure it's opened about this much.
If it's not open, you can rip it open or use a pair of scissors. But get parents' permission first, little kids, before handling scissors.
We're going to pour the cereal out. Pour as much as you would like to eat and spread. Put the bowl of the bag up like this.
So curl the top of
So like this.
Or put it
You're
on
going
your
to take
foot.
this and put back in that box. Then put the box away.
Close lid first.
Close lid first.
So fits. Struggle for a minute. Fit. Close cabinet.
Close the cabinet. The next thing you're going to do is go to your fridge.
Wow.
In that fridge, you should find milk delivered by the milkman if you live in olden days, but just some milk from the store. Make sure it's not expired. This says it's going to expire on the 6th of February. Well, it's January, so we're good.
Oh yeah, today's New Year. Happy New Year, y'all.
Pour.
We gotta make a special video for today.
If your milk runs out, simply rinse.
You don't need to fill up the whole thing. Just put some in, put on the top, mix it around. Or do it like this.
Or and recycle. Then you're going to grab a spoon.
What? A spoon?
With that spoon, you're going to put it in the cereal. Oh no, I seem to have a little, too small amount of milk. Thankfully, I have this big bowl.
Add more milk if needed.
Yep, add more milk if needed.
And if some cereal like Frosties are too bland for you, you can get some. We had a strawberries. Dang it! You can cut up some strawberries and/or other fruits you like in your cereal.
Or you can just plop blueberries.
Yep.
And then you're simply going
And-
to put the spoon in.
Yep. Make sure to get your parents' permission before getting a knife to cut up those strawberries, though.
Yeah. So you're simply going to put the spoon in, lift up, cereal should come out, and
Paper towels are near if spillage. If there is spillage, wet the paper towel first, then clean it up. Yeah, just in case it spills. So it's not sticky. Okay, bye. Now you know how to make yourself a full cereal